Welcome, I'm Christian, and this is your tutorial for Bruno Mars' Leave the Door Open. Okay, so let's get stuck right into the tutorial. First and foremost, YouTube. Guys, hit subscribe, like, share it, leave me a comment, tell me if you liked it or not, and what you want to learn next. And also, download the free cheat sheet. It's available in the description or in my bio. Check it out. It goes with this lesson and it makes much more sense. One little PDF straight to you. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it. Okay, so essentially, you're gonna need quite a few chords for this song. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. You can start with 4, but eventually you're gonna need about 10. But I'm gonna show you the easy way of doing it, okay? I voice let it. Now, as with all of my arrangements and tutorials, you can do it easy, you can do it hard, you can do it medium. There's a million ways of doing it. So I'm gonna give you the semi-easy to easy, and then I'm gonna give you a challenge in case you want that level up, that step up, okay? So, first things first, here are your chords. Your first one is F major 7 over E, okay? Then you've got G7, okay, over the F. After that, you've got your E minor 7 over G, and then your A minor 7 over G. Now, level 1 is for you to just do one-handed. If you're absolute beginner, that's cool. You can play this song, I promise you, but I teach it to you. One fingered, one hand. Just play the left far note on the free PDF that's on our website and in the description, okay, absolutely free. So you're like F, G, 5 left notes, E, A, repeat, and F, G. Yeah, your bass man. That's what you're doing, okay? Very simple. Nothing against bassists. Love them. Trying to be one too, but anyway. Different video. Now, that's a super level 1. So again, left hand only, one finger. You could do this whole thing, or you could just place 4 fingers there and just play along like I'm doing, okay? Rewind this video, check it out a few times. That's very basic level 1, okay? If you've got no experience on piano. Find yourself those 4 notes, which are F, G, E, A. Copy, paste a whole bunch of times. Now, those who are watching generally have a little bit of experience or want to get that experience, so let's get the right hand chord. Separately, please. Level 2, right hand only. Gotta memorize these chords as they go. The first one, F major over E, is going to be an E, an A, and a C. Boom, like that, okay? And you should, if you've been watching me for a bit, know how to practice already. The lift technique, press it, lift, keep the mold, 10 times. Higher, behind your back, over left, right, eyes closed. Find different ways of practicing it till you just know that chord, okay? Now, the awesome thing about this, I've done the voicing for you. So take that, shift it, everything over to the right. Do not change the shape. Move to the right. Boom. There it is. That's your G7 over F. How do I do that? Watch. There you go. So your notes are F, B, D. Those are the first 2 chord changes. So you should then, after you practice that 10 times, practice switching between one and the other. Slowly, of course. I'm on the clock here. I need to rush. You don't. Rewind this video. Watch it a few times. So here you go. That's your first chord, F major over E. Move everything up. Boom. There's your G7 over F. Hold that for a bit, okay? You should practice that a couple times till you're fluent. Now let's move on to the third chord for the first part, okay? This is the intro. This is also the verse as well and part of the chorus. So now we're going to move on to our E minor 7 over G. Easy. Keep these 2. Just move your thumb. Boom. There it is, okay? So it's going to sound like this. Okay? It's a bit of a jump, yeah? Okay, so watch. All I did was go from here to here, okay? From here to here. I practiced that 10 times till you're good to go. Then we move on to the next chord, which is A minor 7 over G. And to play that, this guy stays exactly where it is, and these 2 will move in shape, in sync, over to a C and an E, okay? So one more time again, we were here, keep the thumb, don't move it, then go C, go E. But don't do this kind of wormy thing. Just keep your shape open and go boom, shift it over like this. I'm doing it fast, slow it down. 10 times at least or more. Okay, we put those 4 together, you have the first part of the song, and actually it's almost like 2/3 of the song. It repeats a whole bunch of times. So once more, E, A, C, move it up, F, B, D, same shape. Now, augment the shape, put your G up here, boom. Keep your G, move the other 2 up, like that, okay? Rewind the video, please, watch it a few times, and practice it a whole bunch more, and you'll be ready. Okay, so there's level 2. Now, for those who want level 3, here it is. If you don't want level 3, just skip forward another 30 seconds or so, and we'll keep going back to level 1 because we need to finish the song. Okay, level 3, if you find this easy, or you can do this within a few days or a week. Now, chuck in the left and the right hand at the same time. Okay, so first chord was F major 7th, so E, A, C, F in the left. Boom. Okay, together 10 times, just like I just shown you before, 10 times. The next chord is your G7 over F. So again, this one moves up, this guy just moves next door. Okay? I do not recommend using one fingered approach in the left. Too hard. Set it, forget it. Know where your notes are and just know where to go. Okay? So we're here. We move up right there. Yeah, sounds pretty good. Okay, now from here we're going to move to our E minor 7 over G. To do that, E is here and boom. So here we're here and simple as that. E drops the bass, boom, GBD right here. Okay. And from there we're going to move up to that A minor 7 over G, and we do it by having our G here, sorry, A in your left, keep your G in your right and go C, E as I've shown you before. Boom, there it is. Okay. So these voicings, I've custom done them so that it's easy for you and you don't have to worry about much. They go and complement with the bass. So I wouldn't necessarily play them on their own unless you have a bass player with you. If not, it's not going to sound as nice. You do need the bass in this, okay? So once more, level 1 was just here. Level 2, for practice only, boom, same shape, up. Now move the thumb, move the top 2, restart it again. Okay, simple as that. And level 3 was, put them together, F with G, yeah, back to E minor, A. I'm adding a little bit of rhythm in there, but just keep them steady for now, okay? You generally hold it for like 1, 2, 3, 4, generally speaking, but listen to the song, follow along, and you'll be able to get there, okay? This is a very quick tutorial. I want to get you through the song. Okay, next, we're going to move on to the next part, okay? Now this is after the first introduction in the verse, where we go into the pre-chorus, okay? Pre-chorus. He goes into E flat major 7th, which is a lovely chord. A lot of beautiful chords in this song. Now to play it, I've given you this voicing. G, E flat major over a G. Boom, so it just looks like this, G, B flat, D. Okay? So we've done a whole first groove thing. Done all that, okay? Now we're about to move here. So you get a G, B flat, D. Okay, level 1 would be just for you to do the left hand, as I've shown you before, just the bass to E flat, 3, 4, okay? And then you move it up, 2, 3, 4, E flat, 3, 4, F, G, okay? Once again, refer to the cheat sheet that I've got here for download for free. It'll make much more sense. I'm looking at it right now as we go, just to be on top of things. Okay, so now, once you've done level 1 and you're cool with that, put that away, right hand only. Separate the levels. Don't make it too hard for yourself at first, okay? You got your E flat major 7th chord here. To get the A flat major 7th over G, we keep the G, we go boom, C, E flat. Let me show that again. E flat major 7th, A flat major 7th. E, I'll put it with the bass note, you can hear it now. See? Okay, there it is. So practice this shape at least 10 times till you get it nice and fluent, okay? All right, so we're going there. This is in the pre-chorus. Goes back, so da-da-da-da-da, every word that I say is coming right from my heart. We know that part, okay? And then it goes, so if trying to get this arms, I'm gonna leave the door open. That part, that's kind of got a bit of a groove. So to get there, watch, we're gonna play E flat, 2, F minor, G 7th. So let me show you how I did that magic. We'll go back to our E flat major that I showed you a minute ago. Same shape, guys, same shape. Boom, F, A flat, C. Okay, that's your F minor chord. And then G 7th, keep the F here. Boom. Okay, so let me slow that down. 3 chords to do that. E flat major 7th. Shift the whole thing over. F minor. And then keep your thumb. G7. Your 3 chords. I will do that quite a few times. Slowly. Okay, lifting your hand up. Get the hang of it, okay? It's not an easy song. I never said it was easy, but you can play it one-handed bass, make it easy, join in on a jam session, or just have a bit of fun, okay? Everyone should have a go. Piano is beautiful, music's awesome. We should all be able to have a go. That's why I'm doing this for you, okay? Now, once you sort that out, okay? Again, I would practice that separately. That's the pre-chorus, okay? Practice that a whole bunch of times on its own, and once you're ready to try level 3, throw in the left hand, okay? So it would look E flat, A flat, E flat, get these guys ready, then F, G, okay? Some sort of fingering like this, or like this is what I would do. Set them and forget it. Okay, E flat with E flat, boom. Okay, that's the first part. Now we go to a A flat with your A flat. See that? Here, so here, nice and slow. Every word that I say, straight from the heart, we know that. Now here we go. So if you're trying to hear this arms. Did you see that? I'll slow it down. E flat, F minor, The G7 is on the offbeat, okay? Listen to recording, slow it down. YouTube has a reduce the speed function, and you can work that out. It's really cool, okay? All right, so that should be all sorted. Just in case you can see it. And that takes care of the pre-chorus. I'm gonna leave the door open is when we go back to the chorus, and guess what? It's the same chords as the intro. So I've already taught you that. You're welcome. F major, 2, 3, G7, 2, 3, and E minor, 2, 3, 4, A, C, 2. So just go back and practice that again. That one progression knocks out like 2/3 of the whole song. That's the cool thing about pop music, even complicated one like this, is that it repeats a lot, okay? Now, here's where it gets a little bit interesting. The part where it goes, if you feel the way I feel and you want me like I want you tonight, tell me if you're coming, and it does that part, okay? So let's work that one out slowly. That's the bottom line of the cheat sheet, the PV or pre-verse. If you feel the way I feel is F major 7th, okay? So again, level 1, left hand only, F 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 lots of 4, 8 beats. Then G for 3, 1, 2, 3, and I've got that stop. That's very clear and easy to see in the recording. Check it out, okay? Feel the way I feel, you want me like I want you tonight. 3, I'ma leave the door open, okay? Try that a few times. Goes C to A. You can finger it like this, F, G, C, A. Okay, the bottom line of the cheat sheet will show you that, F, G, C, A, or you could go F, G, C, A, but I'd recommend something here, F, G, C, A. Now, set it and forget it. Now it's time to practice level 2, the right hand. Boom. So, right hand. We know F major 7. It's the first chord I taught you today. Easy. Okay, we play that a few times. We know G7. It's the second chord I taught you already. Why am I repeating myself? You should know this. Now we've got the C major 7th. Okay, so to do this, you're going to jump here. Boom. E, G, B. So watch. I was here. I'm going to jump down here. Just trust me, it's a nicer voicing here. E, G, B. So practice that jump 10, 20 times till you get it right. And then from there, we go to the A7, which just looks like this. Just one finger changes from that B to that C sharp. Okay, listen to it with the bass, it's gonna sound much better. It is an A7 flat 9, because they go in the vocals. But let's keep the jazz out of this, we'll keep it simple for everyone. Alright? So, if you feel the way I feel for want you want me tonight, 2, 3, I'ma leave the door. Here's the C. Open, okay? Or he goes, ooh. Maybe I'm messing up the lyrics, doesn't matter. So there's the C, beg your pardon, here, 2, 3, 4. One finger change, okay? C to A, C to A. And that's it. Then guess what? He goes back. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Pop music, even if it's Bruno Mars. And I love the guy. He can really sing. Amazing. Jealous. So that's it, guys. That's it. Intro, verse, and chorus are the same 4 chords that I've just shown you before. And then we've got that nice E flat to A flat, E flat, F minor, G7 goes back for the pre-chorus. Then you've got that pre-verse, which is 4 of these. And then you've got the C to the A. Once again, I know this is a little bit quick. And if it's your first time, don't worry, slow it down. Go back and watch the video and watch some of my other tutorials, as they're not as complicated. This is a bit of a tricky one, but I guarantee you, if you put in the work, you will be able to learn this. I know this. I'm not just a social media person, I'm a teacher. I'm a trained, qualified teacher. I'm doing this on the side because I love it, okay? So please, first, download the sheet, help yourself first. It's free, get it, and this whole lesson will make sense. One beautiful page, all the chords, very easy. Don't need to read music to do it. Then number 2, please share the love, guys. Share this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bells. I upload every week and I do social media every single day. Freebies, giveaways, it's for you. So please jump on board, join our community. Leave me a comment after that, like it first, and then tell me, what did you want me to teach you next? Okay? I do request, I do listen to you guys. And if you like this, you will love the rest of my content, my premium content. It's on my website, PremierePiano.shop. Feel free to check that out. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Once again, my name was Christian, and thank you for watching. This is brought to you by Premier Piano. Now go and practice. See you in the next video.